Hi, this is Mike with Premier Ponds. The word for today, pond upgrades. That's 2 words, but it doesn't matter. We have an existing pond that holds water. However, it leaks when it runs. So the only way to guarantee no leak is to replace the plumbing and the stream all the way back to the pond. And so that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take this existing pond and we're going to add a lot of bells and whistles, including a rebuilt stream. We're going to add a skimmer, a biological filter, some plants, a fish tunnel, some lights, and a whole lot of love, and it's going to be awesome. When it's all done, they're going to have a stunning pond that looks amazing and doesn't leak. All right, we're all done with our pond upgrades. The new stream and waterfalls are all back and running. We have some really cool fish tunnels and some plant shelves in the pond. And to top it off, we put in some LED lighting. So tonight, the homeowners are going to be blown away.